Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video we are going to see how to upload an image to Firebase storage, how to upload any kind of file in Firebase storage. So I have created a project and I have just added image figure. I am using React Native crop image figure. Let me show you the documentation. So I am using this package to pick an image. You just have to install this package and you have to add file and camera permission in you just have to add this permission in Android manifest and I run this app. So this is the whole design. I'm not doing anything in design. I'm focusing on Firebase storage, how to upload an image, and we are going to use React Native Firebase to use that. First you have to install React Native Firebase app, and then you have to install React Native Firebase storage. And we have to add our project to Firebase console. And in case you don't know how to add your project to Firebase console, please check out my the first video about React Native push notification, where I show that how to how to add your project to Firebase console. So we are going to install these two package, Firebase app and Firebase storage. Let me copy this one, and the second one is Firebase storage. So I'm ensuring --save, so it will install the latest version of this package. And I already created my storage. All you have to do, just don't have to do anything much, just you have to create. You are going to ask about you are going to see a button where you can click create storage. Then you have to click that, and it will take some time to create the storage. And after creating the storage, you are going to check the rules. By default, if you are using Firebase auth, then you don't have to change anything in these rules. But if you are not using Firebase auth, you are just using Firebase storage to upload your photo or anything, so in that case you have to remove that permission. By default you will have that kind of permission, that if the auth is null, that you cannot write, means that you cannot upload a photo or video or any kind of file to storage. So if you remove that and you allow read or write permission to in every situation, then it's okay. And let me check if it's installed or not. So it will be installing soon. And what I have done is I've just created a button. It says upload pic, and at a heading upload image to Firebase storage, and at the image view to show the selected image. And I'm setting that image to in state. So our project we install these two packages. As you can see, the version is 11.3.3 and storage is also 11.3.3. So now I'm going to run this project. It will take some time. So in that meantime, what you can do, you can implement our code. So while uploading an image to Firebase, first you have to import this. So we import this, and as you can see, upload a file. If you want to upload a file, you have to create a reference, then you have to call this await reference.put file and the file reference. Let me show you how to do that. First First we are going to see the console. If my project runs successfully, just let me Wait while the project is run successfully. First we are going to see the console, what we are getting from the image picker. Yes, it's run successfully. And we are running in Android emulator. In case if you are using an iOS device, then just let me show you the console. So our project runs successfully. Lastly, let me show you the console, what we are getting. So I have downloaded some image. I am using an open gallery. I am not open camera. If you want, you can open camera. So we are getting an object where you can see the height of the image and the MIME and modification date, path, size and width. All we care about is the path. In Android you are going to see path. In iOS you are not going to see path, you are going to see source URL. So please put a condition. If platform is Android, then select the path, otherwise select the source URL. So I'm not going to put any condition, just I'm telling you to just let all you guys know. So I'm getting this object and all we care about this path where we have the image path. Now what we have to do, we have to pass the reference, and in reference we have to pass the name. So we are in path, we are getting a string where you can see the whole path of the image, and we don't want the whole path, we just want this name of the image. So for that, so let me variable. So I'm going to store image name to a variable. So for that we can use JavaScript function. So we are going to use this, we are going to divide by this slash, forward slash, and doing +1. So first and to put a console to check it if you are getting this image name or not. So I save that. Now you are going to check. Now I'm going to select an image. We selected an image. I saved that, I hope. Let me do this one more time. As you can see, we are getting the name of the image. So now what we have to do, we are going to directly, you can call it directly or you can just use try catch block. So we are going to use try catch block. So if any error occurred, we are going to console the error. Otherwise we are going to just first we can create a reference, then we call something, or just we directly can call the let me first create a reference. So in reference, we just have to pass the image name here, and we have to pass the reference, and we are going to pass the path. We have to pass this path over here, and if we check, our Firebase storage is empty. We are going to save this. I am trying to upload an image. Sorry, can't call await inside asyncs. I have to call an asyncs await function. So if you go and refresh, as you can see, we have an image. So this is our image. So first we uploaded our image successfully to Firebase. Now the second step. So we want to show the user that 1% of your image is uploaded, 5%, the percentage of uploaded. So for better user performance, or so we are gonna have a state changed. We're gonna have a task, and we can store that whole thing. I guess we are uploading that thing. We can store that in a constant. And on stack change so now if we save and if we check the console while we uploading the image, first let me comment it out. If we check, now you save this, and we want to see the percentage of the uploading the Firebase storage is coming or not. So undefined is not a function. Let me check what just happened. Just let me reload this. So it's not working somehow. Maybe we have to remove the await. I don't know, maybe. Now we check again. Yeah, because of the await, it was not coming. So as you can see, it's showing the percentage and when the image is uploaded successfully, it's calling this, that image is uploaded successfully. So we are gonna put that in alert. And now you are going, if you want to show the user the percentage of images uploaded, we can use something. You can store that data in a state also. You can use percentage. By default it is going to 0. So we are going to show the percentage over here. Just we are going to see it uploaded, and if it's 0, then we're not going to show this to the user. So we have to store this in set percentage. We are going to use this by total bytes. We are going to divide byte transferred by the total bytes, and we are going to multiply that by 100, and we are going to use math.round to round that value. So now if you save and if you check again, sorry, you have to do not. So now if I am uploading an image, selected image, so 39%, as you can see 39% and 100% is completed. At least it lasted. So in the alert, that image uploaded successfully. And if we check our storage, you can see that image is uploaded successfully. You can see it's our image name. And if you want to create a folder, suppose if we want to upload that file in a specific folder, suppose we want to upload that folder in a, we put that in a string. That's why we have only one image, because it's only taking that one name. And if you want to upload that in a specific folder, suppose we want to upload that folder is called images, and if you want to create that folder, you can create a folder over here by clicking this, so not this one, create folder. You can create a folder, and if you don't want to create that like that, just in reference enter the folder name, and if it's not created, it will automatically create that folder and put that image inside that folder. Just let me check and let me show you that it's working. And now I'm going to upload this one. It shows 100% uploaded, and it is uploaded to the bucket. And now if you refresh, you can see we have a folder called images, and inside that folder we have that image that we are trying to upload. And if we upload the same image again, So let me upload the same image. You can see it says that image uploaded successfully to the bucket, but if we refresh, you are not going to see that image because this name is same. So we can't have 2 or 3 images with the same name, so we have to make that image name unique. So we are going to make the image name unique to upload. So in case when a user upload a same image 4 times or 5 times, so you can't restrict that user to uploading a same image again and again. It's up to the user. They can upload any type of image and any image. So we are going to prepare for that. So we are going to make the image name unique. For that we have that image name in that image name variable. Now we are going to first extract the extension. So let me put another variable. So we are going to name that ext for extension, and we are going to image img name dot split. We are going to split that with the dot. We are going to use the pop function to get the extension. So we are going to get that extension with this, and now we are going to extract the name also. So let me put name. So we can use substring or we can use just split. Split with dot, and if we split, we are going to have an array. So on that 0 index. So let me show you the console that we are having that. First let me show you the extension, then the name, and just let me put a return over here. Don't want to upload that to the Firebase. So if now you are select an image, just let me reload this. I'm getting some kind of error. Sorry, we put image over here. We have to put image name over here. I'm going to reload again. Now if you are trying to upload an image again, as you can see, it's our extension and it's our image name. So we are going to make that image name unique. So just let me take another variable and new name. So we are going to name, then we are going to concatenate with date dot now, and we are going to add that extension. So that's our, so I'm going to remove that return now. So we are going to use this new name instead of image name. So our name is unique now. while uploading to storing that data to our Firebase storage. So now if we trying to add an image, right now if we trying to upload an image, so our image name should be unique. Just check, 39% complete uploaded and 100% is uploaded right now. So if we refresh now, we have that image. We are going to have that image with a unique name. As you can see, we have that image with some kind of date now format. So not this one, I guess that one. So if we are trying to now you can see we have a two image. Now if we try to add the same image again, we should have that in our Firebase storage. First let me check that. We selected this image again and it says uploaded completed. So now if you refresh, we are going to have three images. So now see, we have three images and these two are same actually. So just remember to make the image name unique, and our image is uploaded to Firebase storage successfully. Now so now if we, and you also have that pause and resume function. So if you're uploading a big file like a video, so you can pause the task and you can also resume the task. You just have to call these two. To resume you have to call task.resume. If you want to pause the task, you have to call task.pause. And if you want the whole URL of an image, then we have to put that reference inside of this ref, and we are going to see the whole image URL. So let me show you. So we want to store, because we have to ultimately store the image URL to a database or somewhere else. So whenever just let me comment this out, and we want to show or store the image URL to a Firebase database or somewhere else. So we are going to need this URL for that. So whenever our image uploaded is completed, so we are going to use this reference because we are using this name. So we are going to use this reference for this particular image, and we are going to console this URL where you can see the image URL successfully. So now if I save and trying to upload a new image in the same location, so trying to let me upload, so I'm trying to upload this one and it says uploaded successfully. So we are going to have a image URL. Sorry, you cannot call await inside and without an async, so we have to put an async over here, and I'm going to save and I'm going to run this again. Just let me reload this one more time. So now if we are going to upload an image, so we selected this one. So whenever our image is uploaded completely, we are going to see you can see 100% uploaded, and we have that URL. So just let me copy this URL and we are going to paste that in browser. If you click now, you can see this image. So we have to store this URL to somewhere else. So this is how you can upload an image to Firebase storage or any kind of file. And make sure to change the name and make it unique, then I don't think you're going to face any issue. And in case you have faced an issue or you are facing an issue, then try to comment, and I make sure that I can solve this, and I will solve your problem. And if you don't know how to add your project to Firebase, please check out my previous video. And that's it. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss on my future video. Thank you.